Is é seo cosúla ar cluichí Olympacha. Like, ní beag mí lábata dul a roiig thar aon rud eile mar seo. So agus go háir tuis go bhfuil sé in éireann é málaach lia, tá sé is just rud anna bhór doing agus tá an tréanáil atá a bhéanam gin go léir díirithe ar an Chomórtas seo. Tá sé dechar chun saola bheith agat las mód a Taekwon-Do ach nóir tá tú istigh le tá a carda go léir ann is é an aon chun bón óir a bheith goin ag deire agus chun éire a bheith an tír is fearr ar thaobh na tarthaide.
It's unbelievable because a lot of our family and friends never really get to see us compete at this level. So it's just great for them to see what it's all about and actually see one of these events take place. Instead of just seeing pictures and videos, which are great, to see it all happen live here in our home country is unbelievable.
There's a lot more supporters this year than we'd have any other international tournament because they all can't travel away because of costs and stuff. Like when it's in Ireland, like they make the best of it and really encourages us to do our best. Like.
Well, tá sé seo an Craobh le Dhomhanda Taekwon-Do. Agus is ócáid olbhar é seo, agus seo an céadú riomh atá sí in éireann, so tá seo rud mór don tír.
Thosaigh mé an sport timpeall 5 bliain ó shin nuair raibh mé 100 bliain agus tá mé féin ag déanamh special techniques a Chomórtas seo.
Tá sé go hintach an Chomórtas seo tá sé ar aus.
Bhí an atmosfér iontach ann agus airíonn réitíonn gach duine anmhaith le chéile agus is just rud iontach é.
Bhí mé ag tréanáil ag an sé lá tseachtain aguranta gáhar sa lá so tá an tréanáil an fisiciúil.
Níl taim agat do féin freisin le níl aon taim sparalta agan. Agus cáimid a lá taim lena chéile freisin.
The atmosphere is fantastic. We've got 62 countries competing from all over the world and you can see yourself that people are enjoying themselves and we've got the best athletes in the world in our sport here on the floor in Citywest in Dublin, which is just super. We won the bid for this when we were at the World Championships in Jesolo in Italy, and when we came back after the Congress to announce that we won, people were just amazed. Like, just for them, it's an amazing honour to be part of the national team, but to be here in Dublin and be able to have their family and friends and cousins and grandparents and everybody come and support them in the stadium is unique.
We are getting bigger and bigger, growing a lot. Yeah, people see what the service, no? You give a service to the people, you give a good tournament, you give good results, and other people open their eyes and they join us.